Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into software development methodologies with our video, DevSecOps versus DevOps. If you're interested in modern software practices, cybersecurity, or just staying up to date with the latest in tech, this video is for you. Let's get started, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content. DevOps and DevSecOps are two closely related software development and deployment approaches that have gained significant traction in recent years. To understand these concepts, let's start with DevOps and then explore how DevSecOps builds upon its foundation. DevOps, a portmanteau of development and operations, is a set of practices that combine software development, dev, with IT operations, ops. The main goal of DevOps is to shorten the system's development lifecycle while delivering features, fixes, and updates frequently in close alignment with business objectives. At its core, DevOps is about breaking down the traditional silos between development teams and operations teams. In the past, these groups often worked in isolation, leading to inefficiencies, miscommunication, and delays in software delivery. DevOps aims to foster a culture of collaboration, communication, and shared responsibility between these teams. Fundamental principles of DevOps include 1. Continuous integration and continuous delivery, CI/CD. This involves automatically testing and deploying code changes to production environments. 2. Infrastructure. As code, treating infrastructure configuration as software, allowing for version control and automated deployment. 3. Automation, streamlining repetitive tasks to increase efficiency and reduce human error. 4. Monitoring and logging, implementing robust systems to quickly track application performance and identify issues. 5. Microservices, architecture, breaking down applications into smaller, independently deployable services. While DevOps has revolutionized how many organizations approach software development, it initially lacked a strong focus on security. This is where DevSecOps comes into play. DevSecOps, which stands for Development, Security, and Operations, is an extension of DevOps that aims to build security into every phase of the software development lifecycle. It responds to the growing need for better cybersecurity practices in an increasingly digital world. The core idea behind DevSecOps is that security should not be an afterthought or a separate concern handled by an isolated security team. Instead, it should be integrated into the development process from the very beginning and considered at every stage. Key principles of DevSecOps include 1. Shift. Left security. Moving security considerations earlier in the development process rather than treating them as a final step before deployment. 2. Automated security testing, incorporating security scans and tests into the CI/CD pipeline to catch vulnerabilities early. 3. Security as code, treating security policies and configurations as code, allowing for version control and automated deployment. 4. Continuous monitoring, implementing real-time security monitoring to quickly detect and respond to threats. 5. Collaboration and shared responsibility, fostering a culture where everyone, not just the security team, is responsible for security. Now let's compare DevOps and DevSecOps to understand their similarities and differences. Focus. DevOps primarily focuses on speeding up software delivery and improving collaboration between development and operations teams. DevSecOps maintains these goals while adding a strong emphasis on security throughout the entire process. Team structure. DevOps typically involves close collaboration between development and operations teams. DevSecOps extends this collaboration to include security professionals, creating a more integrated team structure. Security implementation. In DevOps, security is often considered late in the development process or handled by a separate team. In DevSecOps, security is integrated from the start and is a shared responsibility across all teams. Automation. Both approaches emphasize automation, but DevSecOps extends this to include automated security testing and monitoring. Cultural shift. DevOps requires a cultural shift towards collaboration between development and operations. DevSecOps demands an even broader cultural change, making security everyone's responsibility. Tools and practices. While both use similar tools for automation and collaboration, DevSecOps introduces additional security-specific tools and practices. Risk management. DevOps primarily focuses on operational risks related to software delivery. DevSecOps adds a strong focus on security risks and compliance issues. It's important to note that DevSecOps is not a replacement for DevOps, but rather an evolution of it. Organizations already implementing DevOps practices are often well-positioned to adopt DevSecOps, as many underlying principles and cultural changes are similar. The benefits of adopting DevSecOps are numerous. It can lead to more secure applications, faster detection and remediation of vulnerabilities, improved compliance with security regulations, and a more security-conscious development culture. However, implementing DevSecOps can also be challenging. It requires significant changes in processes, tools, and organizational culture. For organizations considering the move to DevSecOps, here are some critical steps to get started. 1. Assess your current DevOps practices and identify areas where security can be integrated. 2. Provide security training to all team members, not just dedicated security professionals. 3. Start implementing automated security testing in your CI/CD pipeline. 4. Foster a culture of shared responsibility for security across all teams. 5. Continuously monitor and improve your DevSecOps practices. In conclusion, while DevOps has revolutionized software development by breaking down silos between development and operations, DevSecOps takes this a step further by integrating security into every aspect of the software lifecycle. As cyber threats continue to evolve and become more sophisticated, the principles of DevSecOps are becoming increasingly crucial for organizations of all sizes. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of DevOps and DevSecOps, their similarities and differences, and the importance of integrating security into your development processes. If you found this information valuable, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more tech insights, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Your engagement helps us create better content for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.